AndroNeo at any hospitals is one of its kind dedicated andrology center in South India, offering ethical and expert care by internationally recognized and fellowship trained medical experts. Andrology is a niche specialty. It's a super specialty branch which involves medical and surgical management of male fertility and men's sexual health. Some of the common conditions we routinely see are erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, Peyronie's disease, penile curvatures, low testosterone hormone levels, and a significant number of male fertility consultations, most commonly azoospermia and varicocele. We are one of the very high volume centers for penile reconstructions, penile implant surgeries, surgical sperm retrievals, and microscopic reconstruction of the male reproductive tracts. We maintain strict confidentiality and offer holistic care for better outcomes.